Pioneer Corporation is a Japanese multinational corporation based in Tokyo that specializes in digital entertainment products. The company was founded by Nozomu Matsumoto on January 1, 1938 in Tokyo as a radio and speaker repair shop. In the 90s, Motorola produced Pioneer phones. After a long break from 1998 to 2012, the company began the production of phones for the Chinese market. The last Pioneer phone found on the web is C1, released in 2015. In this video, we will show you the evolution of Pioneer phones from 1992 to 2015. 1992. Dynatac PCH 600, PCC 900, (1993) PCC 740, PCH D 600, (1994) Dynatac PCH 610, PCC 700, AMPS mobile phone built on the Microtac platform for Pioneer. Includes a front keypad flip for the numeric keys. PCC 720, PCC 730, PCC D 700, PCM 300, PCJ A10. 1995. PCC 750, PCC D 500, PCC D 710, PCC D 715, PCCL 100, PCM D 300, similar to Motorola International 2200, PCCN 720. PCA D 400, PCJ A7S, (1997) DP 211 SW, DP 212, (1998) 523G, (1999) JPE01, (2000) JPE02, JPE03, (2001) JPE032, 2012 E80W, P80W, (2013) E60W, E70W, E90W, S90W, E71T, E81T, E81C, E91W, (2014) K88L, K68W, (2015) E82L. M1. C1. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe to the channel.